ProstaVive. Thousands of men of all ages are supporting healthy, youthful prostates along with strong urine flow, an active sex life and deep, satisfying sleep every night. All thanks to a simple, powerful blend of prostate-boosting nutrients. These specific, unique nutrients are supporting the activity of the prostate, metabolizing cells, maintaining healthy blood flow, and helping support a healthy prostate size. ProstaVive is a powerful new formula for boosting prostate health fast. It's different to every other solution out there, because it helps support prostate blood circulation, which, as shown in a new 2023 study by Fukushima Medical University in Japan, may be helpful to metabolizing cells around the prostate. Stromal cell proliferation is the buildup of cells around the outer edges of the prostate. And the Japanese researchers showed, metabolizing the cells can be helped by supporting healthy blood flow in and around the prostate. This, in turn, can help with urine flow as well as maintaining bladder healthy. When a man's prostate is healthy, it tends to also improve his sleep, love life, confidence, and relationships. Thanks to the powerful nutrients in ProstaVive, you can boost your prostate's performance by optimizing its internal cellular activity and blood flow, helping you enjoy powerful, youthful flow and increased sexual activity. With 1 glass a day of the all-natural ProstaVive, you'll benefit from healthy blood flow support and prostate health, stronger urine flow, satisfying sleep and an active love life, all while boosting natural reserves of energy all day long. And there's more, because ProstaVive also helps maintain healthy blood flow and artery health in your entire body by maintaining healthy nitric oxide levels, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your future. What's nitric oxide? It's an essential molecule which helps relax the inner muscles of your prostate's blood vessels, meaning good, healthy nitric oxide supports a strong flow of nutrient-rich blood to deliver energy to every cell in your prostate. The healthier your nitric oxide levels are, the more you can support your prostate's health as time goes by. Inside every potent scoop of ProstaVive you'll find the hand-picked, unique and powerful nutrients from the purest and highest quality sources which combine to create a powerful synergistic effect, starting with boron, tomcat ollie, ashwagandha, fenugreek, panax ginseng, maca root, artichoke extract, nettle root. When you combine these powerful nutrients in the right quantities, you can experience the pleasurable boost in prostate health, urine flow, and sexual energy you've been dreaming of for years. When this happens, you can expect to sleep deeper for longer, enjoy higher energy levels throughout the day, become more confident to go and enjoy activities you like, and revive your love life. And to make ProstaVive truly stand out as the best ever supplement for prostate health you will find, we also added a powerful blend of minerals for maintaining your prostate and overall health. Zinc, magnesium, vitamin B.
Order only through the official link. For those interested, the official link is available in description for more details.